Hi students, this is Viswanath, chemistry faculty for NEET and IIT exams. Last class we completed kinetic molecular theory of gases. Now see the numericals related to that theory. The kinetic energy of n molecules of O2 is x joules at 120 degrees Celsius, at minus 123 degrees Celsius. Another sample of O2 at 27 degrees Celsius has kinetic energy of 2x joules. The latter sample contains, in both the cases substance is same, oxygen, but temperature is different, so kinetic energy is also different. Now given Ke1 kinetic energy, first kinetic energy equal to x joules at minus 123 degrees Celsius. It means in Kelvin scale temperature is 150 Kelvin. So Ke1 equal to formula 3 by 2 RT, kinetic energy equation according to kinetic molecular theory of gases. Ke equal to 3 by 2 RT, 3 by 2 into R into T means 150. Substitute, then we can get Ke1 equal to 3 into R into 75. So Ke1 means x joules. So x joules equal to 3 into R into 75 for n molecules of O2. It is given in the question. N molecules of O2. Now Ke2 equal to 3 by 2 RT. Here temperature 27 degrees Celsius. In Kelvin scale 300 Kelvin. So substitute this value. Ke2 equal to 3 by 2 R into 300. That implies in the second case, what is the kinetic energy? 2x joules. So 2x into 2x equal to 3 into R into 150. From this, x equal to 3 into R into 75 for n moles of O2. Say this. From this we can get x equal to 3 into R into 75. This energy is related to n molecules of O2. So both the samples contain, second sample also contains n molecules of O2 for x joules of kinetic energy. Understand? Second sample also contains x joules of kinetic energy for n molecules of O2. So what is the option? Option A is the answer. Next. At what temperature will the total kinetic energy of 0.3 ml of helium be the same as the total kinetic energy of, at what temperature will the total kinetic energy of 0.3 mole of the helium be the same as the total kinetic energy of 0.4 mole of argon at 400 Kelvin? Here substances are different. Helium and argon, two different noble gases. Number of moles are different, but temperature is same. Say this. Ke equal to 3 by 2 nRT. Ke1 equal to 3 by 2 n1 RT1. Ke2 equal to 3 by 2 n2 RT2. So according to given condition, at this temperature these two gases have same kinetic energy. Then we can equalize this. Ke1 equal to Ke2, 3 by 2 n1 RT1, 3 by 2 n2 RT2. After cancellation of common terms, we can get this one, n1 T1 equal to n2 T2. So this is related to helium, this is related to argon. Number of moles of helium 0.3. This T1 we should find out. Number of moles of argon 0.4. Temperature 400. Substitute, then we can get 533 Kelvin. So at this temperature 0.3 moles of helium having same kinetic energy as 0.4 moles of argon present at 400 Kelvin. Next. So what is the option? 533 Kelvin means option D is the answer. Next one. As the temperature is raised from 20 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius, the average kinetic energy of neon atoms changes by a factor. Here substance is same, temperature is different conditions. 20 degrees Celsius, 40 degrees Celsius. Ke equal to 3 by 2 RT, Ke1 equal to 3 by 2 into R into. So 20 degrees Celsius in Kelvin scale 293 Kelvin. And Ke2 equal to 3 by 2 R into 40 degrees Celsius in Kelvin scale 313 Kelvin. 313 Kelvin. So Ke2 by Ke1 equal to 313 divided by 293. So what is the option? Option C is the answer. Go to the next one. The mass of molecule A is twice the mass of molecule B. The RMS speed of A is twice the RMS speed of B. If two samples of A and B contain same number of molecules, what will be the ratio of pressure P of two samples in separate containers of equal volume? So here a new word, RMS speed. Full form is root mean square speed or root mean square velocity of gas molecules. It will come in the next topic. For this question, just remember RMS speed. So two molecules A and B are given. Their mass relation is given. RMS speed relation is given. Volume relation is given. See this. Given mass of A is twice the mass of B. So MA equal to 2 into MB. And volume of A equal to volume of B in separate containers of equal volume. So VA equal to VB. Now mass of molecule A is twice the mass of molecule B, means from this we can write this one. Molecular weight of A equal to 2 into molecular weight of B. Let it be equation 2. This is equation 1. RMS speed of A equal to 2 into RMS speed of B. Let it be equation 3. Also number of molecules of A equal to number of molecules of B. This one equation 4. Okay. All these data are given in the question. Say this. For gas A, kinetic gas equation PVA VA equal to 1 by 3 MA U square RMS of A. For gas B, PB VB equal to 1 by 3 MB into RMS velocity of B U square. So from these two expressions we can write this one. PA VA by PB VB equal to 1 by 3 get cancelled, then remaining MA by MB into UA square by UB square. Molar mass of A, molar mass of B, RMS velocity of A, RMS velocity of B. Let it be equation 5. Now expressions 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See all the expressions 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this one 5. From this we can write PA by PB into VA by VB. Here volume is the same for these two substances. So VA by VA that equal to MA by mass of molecule A and B. What is the relation? MB equal to MA divided by 2. So in place of MB, substitute that one, MA divided by 2 into RMS velocity of molecule A, UA. Okay, UA square by UB means UA by 2. See here, RMS velocity UB, RMS velocity of B equal to RMS velocity of A divided by 2. So this one. So by doing calculation, that means cancel the same terms, then we can get PA by PB equal to 8, that equal to PA into PA equal to 8 PB. The pressure of molecule A is 8 times the pressure of molecule B. So what is the option? Option B is the answer. Okay students, practice well these numericals. We'll meet you in the next class.